So hex, like hexagon is 6, decimal is 10. So these are base 16 numbers. What does it mean to be base 16? Well, kind of similar to other bases, big things to think about are we group things in groups of 16. Okay, not too bad. I can handle grouping things by 16. How many digits do we have? We have 16 digits. Oh, wait a minute. You mean 16 digits? Digits. Those are like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A digit is a single symbol. I'm out of digits. So what are we going to do? Standard thing for hexadecimal is then you start doing alphabet digits. So after 9, so I have 10 digits here. I need 6 more digits. A, B, C, D, E, and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are my 16 digits. So if you see a number in hexadecimal, like maybe 3D, and sometimes we'll put hex under there. Sometimes when people are writing hexadecimal, they put a hashtag in front of it. So if you see hashtag 3D in a math class, that means it's a hexadecimal digit. So to identify this digit, I need to know two things. What do the digits mean? What do the places mean? So the first place is always the ones. The second place is always whatever base we're talking about. Well, that's okay, that's base 16. So what does this numeral mean? It means I have 3 16s and I have D1s. Oh, what's a D1? Okay, let's think about that up here for a minute. Well, I get to 9, A must be a 10, B is an 11, C is a 12, D is a 13, E is a 14, F is a 15. I don't need a symbol for 16 because in hexadecimal, so 16 in base 10 is 10 in hexadecimal. All right, so what is a D? A D is a 13 in base 10. So 3D in hexadecimal would be 3 16s and 13 1s. So 3 16s on a good day is 48 plus 13, 8 and 3 is 11, 4, 5, 6. So 3D in hex is 61 in base 10. Hexadecimal is weird because we're used to 10 digits and we need 6 more. And we typically choose letters A through F. Some people will write them capitalized. I tend to write them capital. Other people write them lowercase, doesn't matter. D is 13, E is 14, F is 15. So if I was counting in this number system, right, counting along, I count off 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write counting numbers or counting numerals. Starts off looking pretty normal. 7, oops, 6 would be nice. 8, 9, 10. Oh no, I can't write 1, 0 because that would mean 16. Uh-oh. Oh, right, A is next. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My claim is this one right here is 18. This is a hexadecimal digit. What does hexadecimal mean? Hexadecimal means there's 1 16 there and 3 1s. That would be a 19 altogether. Right? So again, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh shit, what did I do wrong there? Oh, I missed 12. It's like I missed my 6 over there. 12 needs to be in there. All right, so 15, 16, 17, 18, there's 19. So 1, 3 in hex is 19 in base 10. Little bit weird. Who cares about hexadecimal? Well, the reason I care about hexadecimal is it is a number system and it actually exists in the world today. And I just want to show you where it exists. There's what's called the Rgb Color System on computers. It stands for red, green, blue. And the amount of red, green, and blue that's used to make an image are base 16 digits that they use to make that. So often when I'm playing with colors, there's a cool, cute website called Color Hex. And let's go to the home page, see if they give us a color of the day. Users' latest favorite colors. What the heck? They're all blue. Somebody hacked this site. Son of a gun, look at that. That is so bizarro. All right, we're gonna pick my favorite shade of purple today, is that one right there. So in the hexadecimal language, this version of purple that's shown right here in the middle of that blue dot right there would be called 674EA7. Let me get that up here. Oops. Oh, there's usually a bunch of different colors there. I'm shocked. Come on, show me the color. Come on, color hex. This is just not behaving at all. Show me the color, please. Really? Okay, maybe if I do that. There we go. Okay, so that's that purple right there. And here's the hexadecimal version. So let me just copy this to my whiteboard for a second, explain it. You get a homework problem based on this. Copy. They represent it in a couple of different ways. To new page, please. All right, so here's my hexadecimal color. And this is more than just an ordinary hexadecimal number because it's grouped. And so the groupings on here are groups of 2. So the 6, 7, and let's actually switch color. Let's go 6, 7 like that. That is the hexadecimal amount of red. Right, so it goes RGB, red, green, blue. And then the 4E is the hexadecimal amount of green on the computer that makes this purple. And then A7 is the hexadecimal amount of blue that makes this happen. And we mix that much red, that much green, and that much blue with light on a computer screen, we get this purple. Now, RGB, red, green, blue, those are primary colors for light with computer screens, the way our eyes work. It's different than primary colors with paint. That's a whole nother idea. Okay, if you want to learn more about that, take a physics class. So let's think about this, 6, 7 in hex, what does that mean? Well, in decimal, that would be 6 groups of 16 and 7 ones. Okay, 6 times 16, let's see, can I do that? Would be 60, and 36 is 96 plus 7 is 103. Green, that would be 4 16s. And E, let's see, A, B, C, D, E is 14. So that would be 14 ones. So 4 times 60 is 40, plus 24 is 64, plus 14 is 78. So these are the base 10 versions of these numbers. Notice that on the screen here, on this Color Hex website, they give me not only the hexadecimal version, but they also give me the decimal version of each of those color channels, red, green, blue. It's kind of cool, right? So this is the red, green, blue channels for the color, and they have them in hex and decimal, which is kind of neat. All right, and they are how computers store colors. So one more example of that. If we go to a website like, I don't know, let's go to Google maybe. And Google has their fancy G. What happens if I inspect this? I don't know if there's going to be enough color on this page. I need to go to a page with more color. Well, that's all black and white. That doesn't help. Okay, let's go to, oh, I know. Let's go to the BMCC Canvas site and take a look. So there's this particular blue and yellow that are here, and it turns out you can inspect the code on a web page and you can get to see the colors. So that should be not that one. Let's see, am I in the right spot? Just trying to check the side panel. Will I get lucky and get to see the colors? Well, it's not my lucky day. There's way more code than I was hoping for there, but they show some. You notice there's some colors here, like they have a link color blue. And when I click on it, it shows me the color channel. There's no red, a bit of green, and a whole lot of blue. So when colors are expressed, whether it's in a photo editor, whether it's in a web page, often we use hexadecimal colors to describe hexadecimal numbers to describe those colors. So I thought that was a good application of a weird number base that's used in the world today. Okay. How are we doing on time here?